It seems that words won't change a lot. How can I make it through to you when these silly little...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it will be a after dark clean with me. Normally our nighttime routine starts right when the kids come home because we have a routine of homework, eat dinner, showers, and then everyone gets to relax. So I'm bringing to you double the cleaning motivation because this video is in collab with Amber from Boss Mom Hustle. So I will let her introduce herself right here.
Hey guys, it's Amber over from Boss Mom Hustle. I'm a coffee obsessed full-time working mom who loves to share content aimed around uplifting and inspiring other women to just get up and get stuff done. I share lots of cleaning motivation, organization, cooking, and whatever craziness motherhood brings. I love to just share and keep it real with you guys at all times. So if you would like to see how I manage to get through it one hot mess at a time, come on over, say hello as soon as you're done watching Yesenia's video. I'll catch you guys over there.
I am starting off first with the dishes because I was running errands on this day. We actually had takeout, so I didn't have a lot of dishes to put away in the dishwasher. So that is, I'm so grateful for that.
We can save like a storyline and a few cliches. When we break up, it's true that I'm making up is through. I don't wanna pass the buck, but we're in this place because
what I have in my brown bottle is 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dawn dish detergent, and 15 drops of bergamot and 50 drops of lavender. You can use whatever essential oil that you like. And I just shake it up, and that's what I clean with. It saves so much time. And when I tell you guys, it leaves everything so shiny. But you know how you just want one cleaner that just cleans the mirrors so well, and also the counters, and you don't have to worry about using more than 1 bottle? Well, this definitely does the job.
that is why I feel so sad. I've been holding on in case there was something we could fix, but it's over now. Yeah, it's all over now. Yeah.
Like I was saying earlier, our routine starts at 3:30-ish because the kids do homework, and that takes them a long time. Guys, my kids get a lot of homework. I don't understand, but they do. And they eat dinner, they take showers, and sometimes they still have to do more work, and they have to do their reading for their reading log. So that's our whole night routine. And then they go to bed at 8 o'clock. So basically, it doesn't give me that much room to do what I need to do at night. But I knew the next day I will be running errands, and I wanted to come home to a clean house or not have to worry about going home and cleaning.
I wish I'll find someone new and forget about you.
Here is a closer look as to what I'm trying to clean. It's very hard. I don't know why, but I cannot get that stuff off. So if you guys have a cleaner that would work wonders on my stovetop, please comment down below and let me know. So the night before, I always make sure to get my coffee ready for the next day. When I wake up in the morning, I don't want to actually have to fix the coffee. The only thing I want to do is just press the button and have my coffee brewing for me. I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning every day. My kids wake up at 5:30 a.m. So I need at least 30 minutes to, drink my coffee, just taste the flavor so I can wake myself up before my kids come running downstairs.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last.
So I have two questions for you. First, do you have a nighttime routine? And two, how often do you mop your kitchen floors?
I will never leave you in the pouring rain. And no matter what we go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby. me in the sun. Know that I still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside.
So my couch pillows actually spend more time on the floor than they actually do on the couch. I still like my pillows though, but then my kids love throwing them on the floor. I just don't understand.
You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you.
For some reason, when I'm cleaning in the living room, I like to clean with the lights off or with just the lamps or with just me watching TV, because I'm trying to, even though I'm cleaning, I'm trying to wind myself down, because right after I like to go take a shower, watch some TV and go to sleep, because I wake up super early in the morning.
So when times are rough and the promises we made just seem so hollow and weak, and we're about to break, we have to remind ourselves, 'cause we know how we feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Ain't over till it's over. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna love it till it's gone. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the weight that's on your shoulder, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me when I say no one's gonna love you like I do. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the weight that's on your shoulder, yes, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me when I say no one's gonna love you like I do.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time.
So right here, I'm going to be putting some lavender essential oils. I like to diffuse some lavender at night. I also diffused lavender in the kitchen as well.
You and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise will never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change. Over time, we got older, babe, yeah.
Right here, you actually get to see how well the homemade cleaner does on the mirrors and the countertops.
For games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change. So are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Promise now you gonna love me. Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Never fall. Promise me, promise. I'm getting it lately. A lot of bad vibes. I'm seeing it lately. All bad signs. I'm feeling unweary. Got a feeling we are lost. Won't somebody tell me what went wrong? Won't somebody tell me what is gone? Won't somebody show me 'cause I'm lost?
Hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation. Don't forget to head over to Amber's channel and subscribe to her channel. You will definitely enjoy her content. I will be making sure to leave her link down in the description box. And if you came over from Amber's channel, guys, don't forget to comment down below so I can say hi. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.